Hello everyone, welcome to Rob Explores UK, and welcome to over there, Hemingford Abbots, if you can see that. Hopefully you can. There it is. This is just around the corner from Hemingford Grey. It's very hot today. It's about 30 degrees out here today, so let's go and have a look around Hemingford Abbots, see what we can see. Oh, trying to get run over by the fabulous yellow Jeep. So let's wander this way and see what we can see. Let's go. Wow, look at this, this fabulous pink building on the left here. Let's walk down here and see what we can see. So you can see, there's there a sign saying Hemingford Abbots on it. So it's a very small village, I think, so it's very pretty. So we're going to keep walking down this road. Thatched cottages on the right, they're pretty. There's actually a church just up ahead, so we'll head to that and see what's there. It's punishingly hot today, so I don't want to be out here too long, it's just too warm. Public footpath. Oh, I might head back that way. Keep going. A phone box with some books in. Very cool. And what looks like the village hall, I think. Yep, there is Hemingford Abbots Village Hall, as the sign says. Ahead we've got Axe and Compass. I think we can see the church over there. Not sure exactly how to get to it, so maybe I think it might be down here. Let's have a look. Go past the Axe and Compass. The thatching going on now, looks like it. Cross over the road here. I want to avoid the Waitrose traffic. Open. Here's back in the church. And behind me there, there's Hemingford Abbots Church. We just had a quick look in there. Very, very cool, peaceful, very nice in there. There's the church right behind me. You can see the spire. I don't know if I can get all the way in. Hopefully I did. Could keep walking down Common Lane behind me, but I think what we'll do, we're going to, for the purposes of today's video, because we don't want to go to Manchester at the moment. We're going to head back the way we just came and go to down that path which leads to Hemingford Grey. The one that I pointed out earlier, so let's go and have a look at that. So let's go. I shall update you when we get to the start of the path. Just past the pub, there's a little map. So we're going to go this way. It should take us to Baker's Cottage. It's just up ahead there. So we just walked in the circuit.